In this video I will open up one of the floors on this log cabin for the first time in over 40 years. This cabin was built up in the late 70s and stood finished in the middle of the 80s. And then for some reason it was abandoned. So let's see what we will find underneath the floor. So I have removed the floorboards. This floor has been like an hotel for many different species. Most of the floorboards I will reuse for another project. But we will remove this old insulation and inspect the ground underneath the floor. And then we will add wood fiber insulation and then add a new wooden floor.